So what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you biggest glitch. So my channel so use gameplays and little bit glitch, so please subscribe it and become a member of my channel because I bring like this glitch daily. So first showing to the glitch, it's boss fight. You need to have the map of the boss fight metal scrap, and you also need to have a primo of power level 7 which contains its gadget. So first you need to go to sorry, it's not the replay. Yeah, so first you take the primo power level 7 with its gadgets, take the boss behind you, go to that place beside the lake, let the boss come behind you. When it come behind you, just put up your gadget, Primo's gadget, it will go and stuck there. Then you can give as much as damage as possible. And guys, I recommend you don't use your super at this place because of your super the wall may break and the boss may become free from the stuck and it can come and damage you simply. So don't play with randoms using this glitch. Just give him damage. Yeah. So you understood the glitch. If you really like my video, please subscribe it. So till the end I'm showing you. So I'm showing you a replay because while playing and explaining it is hard little bit. Make sure that you don't play with randoms, and simply you can easily break it. It will just stuck. Yeah, but even if one wall is broken, the another wall is there, the boss will be stuck in there only. But if you will destroy both the walls, the boss will become free. And I recommend you don't be together because if you become together, the boss may launch the asteroid missile about itself and it can become free. So be away from yourself, know your friends, yeah, while playing. So see, the level insane is very hard. It takes 20 to 30 times to complete it for a normal pro, but see, within 2 to 3 minutes you can easily complete it. Yeah, but you need to take care of the small robots. If the small robots also can kill you. The boss can only do one thing, it can just launch its missile, so you can easily kill him. So it became very easy. Even if it freed, it have only 7% health, which within 2 to 3 minutes you can, not minutes, seconds only I can tell. Yeah, so easy it became. So guys, use this glitch. Easily you can do anything on boss fight. So if you really like so see, the video is only about 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes you can complete the insane, which is to take 10 to 20 minutes. So you need to have the map metal scrap. And guys, if you really like my video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. And please subscribe and go to my channel and watch all my videos because I bring like this Brawl Stars gameplay video only, and about glitches also I used to bring. So the video is only about 4 minutes, so small video. To make it little bit bigger, I will go for a showdown gameplay. Shall we go? Yeah, let's go. Which brawler we shall use? I want to use. I leave it guys. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe it, comment and like the video. So if you have not listened at the first, you need to have the map metal scrap and with a primo power level 7. So by chancely this glitched right, but I found it a new glitch because no YouTuber have found this glitch. So share your video, but not to all, because all will know that you cannot show how you reach. So Primo power level 7, by chancely I did it, but I discovered a biggest glitch in Brawl Stars. So please subscribe it, because I bring daily like this glitch video. So go to my channel and watch all my glitch video. Thank you.